from Northwest East Side. Everybody, everybody, let's get into it. Get stoked, get it started, get it started, get it started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started.
Hello everybody, what's up? It's Shalina and we're going to have another makeup video. I'm sure you're gonna love it. So let's get to it. I like to start with a primer because I just want to cover my face before I use the foundation. And as a foundation, I prefer to use CC cream because I want this makeup to be as light as possible. Also concealer, but not all around my face, only under my eyes and a little bit under the part that I'm gonna contour. Also, because we want to make our nose a little bit smaller, we can use it beside the nose. Now we should start contouring, and because I want my eyes to be lifted, I use it around my eyes. In this case, it's gonna be lifted. Also around my lips, because it's gonna be much bigger than what it actually is, and around the nose, obviously. The important thing about fading the contouring part is that we should fade it to the outside and to the hair. As I mentioned before, we can use the concealer beside the nose and also only a little bit on the nose, because if we use it a lot, it's gonna be bigger and we don't want that. And now we should bake with the bake powder or pancake, whatever you like. I use the bake powder under my eyes and only on the parts that we use concealer, not the contouring part. In here, I'm lifting my eyebrows with a soap and fill the empty parts with a brow shadow. I'm using a black eyeshadow for the inner and outside part of my eyes because I want it to be smoky. And in here, I'm using a purple eyeshadow around the dark parts to just give it some beautiful color and make it look a little bit more fancy. We have to fade it in the outside parts because, it's gonna look odd if we just cut crease or, just leave it like that. White eyeshadow is a great choice for the middle parts, but you can use gold if you want. And I like to use some glitter because I want it to look shinier and also a little bit under my eyes. Now it's time to remove the mess with some concealer, and even we can fade it to the outside of the eye and make it look more beautiful. And don't forget the mascara, obviously. My favorite color of blush, it's shiny, and it's like it has the color of contour, but it's shinier, so I like to use it as a blush, and it's really suitable for the nice party and the ceremony. So we can use it on our nose a little bit to just make it look a little bit cute. And as I told you before, it's for parties, so I like to use a lot of highlighters on my cheekbones and above my eyebrows. I like my lips look bigger, so I've used contour before around it, and now I have to use concealer on it. In this case, it's gonna be much bigger than it actually is. And now using a pencil, but not too far, don't go too far because it's gonna be really awkward. Just a little bit around it and inner parts, that's it. And a beautiful lip gloss, but don't choose a fantasy color like red or pink. This is the best one, I think. And here we go. This is the makeup I like to wear in my parties or ceremonies, and I think you're gonna like it too. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the videos. Thank you so much, and have a nice day, evening, or whatever. Bye bye.